There are different threats that can slow down or hinder manufacturing processes. First, the usage of inefficient instrumentation can cause production downtime. Second, unreliable devices can prevent you from using tanks to its full capacity. And lastly, some transmitters can be affected by process conditions or internal obstructions, leading to the report of incorrect levels. Inexistent or inefficient measurement instrumentation can cause downtime and force companies to implement manual rounds to perform maintenance and calibration tasks. This disruption reduces production capacity, increases costs, and compromises your process deadlines. Unreliable instrumentation might not be capable of measuring through the whole tank span, and consequently, tanks might not be used to its full capacity. Process conditions such as density, viscosity, temperature, or pH can affect level measurements. Additionally, internal obstructions or turbulence created by agitators can also be a challenge for some transmitters, which might report incorrect levels. The Rosemount 1408H level transmitter is a non-contacting radar that provides continuous and robust measurements. With no moving parts, it is easy to use and doesn't need advanced configuration. With non-contacting technology, the Rosemount 1408H is the ideal transmitter for the food and beverage industry. It provides reliable measurements and it is unaffected by process conditions. This will allow you to eliminate manual rounds and calibration tasks while avoiding unnecessary downtime. The Rosemount 1408H features smart algorithms that eliminate the need for advanced configuration, so one can commission it in 4 easy steps. The device has IO-Link communication protocol, which allows for a quick integration without wiring complexity, enables remote change of settings without stopping production, and includes a data storage feature. With 80 GHz FMCW technology, the Rosemount 1408H provides exceptional radar beam focusing. This enables greater measurement accuracy in tanks with internal obstructions. The Rosemount 1408H has no dead zone, so level is measured to the top of the tank, allowing for an increased tank utilization and maximized production capabilities.